Hello everyone. In this video, I'll give a step-by-step guide on how to run name-based node. But first, as you can see, we have to purchase the server, which is VPS. And there are several ways to purchase that, several sites, many sites can purchase that. But in this video, I will make use of Contabo. You can purchase it on Latitude, DigitalOcean, Linode, but I will make use of Contabo. So, and there are many VPS you can purchase depending on what you want to use it for. But in this video, and in this miss node, I'll be making use of this 8 GB and all these features. So I'll click on it. I'll run it for 1 month, and European Union, I'll be using this region on Ubuntu 22.04. I'll put my password. And okay, it's okay. Then I click on next. I already log in. So this is just the view of everything I just entered earlier. Everything here. Click on make order. Order and pay. Okay, you can see I've paid. So how do you first become our accountable? I'm ready. So I made my payment. You can it's from the interface payment processing. I think sometimes I'll be sent a message on my mail. So I'll just be patient, then we can proceed to the next step. Okay, as you can see, my server is ready and I've purchased my VPS. So now let's proceed to the terminal where I'll be putting the code and all the necessary setup. Okay, let's move now. Let's go. Okay, here's my machine. Okay, here's my machine. Now let's do input. Okay, now let's go. Okay, right now I will have to update my Ubuntu machine. So let's go. Okay, now let's install the necessary packages. Okay, so we have to like, if you are wondering how like, so generated the code, I put into the terminal. They are all present in the new website. Once you enter the new website, goes to build, then click on doc. So here's our name doc. You can click on build from source. Okay, this is the code I copied earlier for I copied and pasted to my terminal to install the necessary requirements. So you can see here. So you can copy the code and paste it, and you will store the necessary requirement to your machine as I did earlier. So let's move on. Okay. Now that we have installed the necessary packages, let's install Rust, which we will use to build the name node binaries. So now let's move to the name website. Here's the Rust. We recommend using the Rust, so I'll be using Rust here. Okay. Okay. I paste into my machine. You can see. Okay, as you can see, I copied this command. This command just gave us an hint on how to install Rust. So I'll be this is the main. To a machine, then paste. Okay, then I play this one. This is for installation. Congratulations, we now have Rust in our machine. Rust is installed now. Great. So let's now move to the next step. Okay, now that we are done installing the Rust, now let's go back to the name documentation and download and build the name binaries. Here's the name, here is the code. So, but first we have to update the Rust package by copying this. Now go to our machine. Enter. Okay, as you can see, you paste the command and it doesn't work, as you can see from here, Rust not found. So you need to like exit the command, then enter the SSH, connect back. So already type exit, so I'll click on enter. So connection to this group. So I'll have to connect back again. SSH. SSH. I have to connect it back again. Then enter. Your password. Put your password. Then enter. Okay, as I said earlier, now we are back, so I can paste the Rust update, then enter. You can see now it's working fine. It's working fine. What I mean is working fine. Okay, now let's move to the next step. By going back to the main documentation. Okay, now we have to clone the repository. Copy this command. So you have to clone the name repository by paste, click on enter. Done. Then next step, Back to the name documentation. Okay. Now I've cloned the repository, so cd into it. I've copied the command. So here it is. So paste, then enter. Back to the new documentation. Proceed with the next step. Okay, as you can see, this two code will not be necessary to be run because we didn't make any changes when installing we do the installation on our machine. But now let's check out for the latest the list branch. So let's check out the latest branch. So copy this code. Now move to our machine. Okay, we can paste the code we just copied earlier and run it. Enter. Okay, now let's go back to the name documentation to know the next step. Okay, now that we are on the name binary master branch, let's build the name binary configuration. So we copy this code. We are getting closer. Move to the machine. Then paste. Then run. Enter. Okay, move to the new documentation for the next step. Okay, let's check for our compilation works fine by running the main mixme. I copy and then I'm going to paste. Enter. Okay, we have to reshare, we have to exit. Then reload again. Okay, meaning does not specify the binary of compile after compilation. So we have to find it ourselves. To do this, we use the cd command. Why still a name repository? And go into target release. Okay, now that we are done installing, the next is to initialize name the name is node using the following command. Okay, to initialize, I use this command. Okay, now let's run the initialize mode using the ID using this command. Okay, here you can see would have been installed, as you can see it here. So let's move to the next step. Now, as you can see, it's time to bond our base node. We copy all these keys and input them to our wallet. So here's our wallet. Click on bonding. Bond base node or gateway. Bond. Okay. Here is identity key. And then again stringless key. Here's our stringless key here. Paste. Then the host. Paste. Then the version. Paste. Then field up. So I click on next. Amount is 100 million. I want 100 million on my wallet already. Original cost is 40 and profit margin is 10. So click on next. Okay, now we'll copy this command and go back to my terminal of the machine. Then paste. Copy this, paste, then enter. Oh, there's a little bit mistake here, so I have to correct it now. Paste. I copy all this again. I put it dot and slash, so I paste back. Then I press enter. Okay, as you can see, here they said that we should copy our paste our signature key. So this is the after the interpretation of the code, you can see this is our signature key that was generated. So I will have to copy this. Finish up my bonding, so I'll copy it over to my wallet, paste. Yeah, click on next. code. So I'll finish up my bonding by confirming. Bond successful. So congratulations to us. Okay, here's our list node. So we can check on the block explorer to see everything in details and how successful it is. Click on block explorer. Okay, here's our identity key. Click the identity key, and here's my wallet. This is the owner of the wallet. Here's the number of token I'm bonding. You can see a host. So let's move to the next step. Okay, now we have successfully bonded a mesh node. So we have to like configure a firewall so that our server can be accessed from external sources. Now let's start. Click on clear. So I'll be using UFW to configure the firewall. Let's check if UFW is installed on our machine. So click on UFW version. Enter. So it's installed on our machine. That's it. So it's on 2008-2021 Chemical Limited. Okay, UFW version 0.36.1. So it's installed on our machine. So we have to proceed to the next step. So we have to enable UFW using sudo. Enter. Okay, so you have to proceed with Y. Enter. So it has been enabled on our machine. So we move on to the next step. You have to check the status of the firewall by clicking on sudo UFW status. Enter. Active. Good. So let's move on to the next step. Okay, now we open this node P2P ports as well as port for SSH, HTTP, and HTTPS connections, and port 8000 and 1790 for Veloc and mailman pins. Now, this can be done using sudo UFW allow 1 second 8 9 1 1 7 1 7 9 8 1790 8000 then enter. So to check the status of the firewall, use sudo UFW status. Enter. Okay, now let's see the into system MD directory and create a service file. service file called listnode.service. So let's proceed. Okay, next, let's enable the service file just to take. Okay, and then we can start it. That you can see it's fine. Okay, now let's test that the service file is working perfectly as needed. So let's start. Okay, wonderful. Congratulations, you can see everything is perfect. Especially one of our next video. It's working perfect. Congratulations to us and thanks for watching. So much I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you. And please forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for updates like this and how to learn. And be more and more is to come for us to like learn new technology. Thanks for watching.